I've always felt that, if ever the history of Indian cinema is going to be narrated and written or talked about, it will always be before Dilip Kumar and after Dilip Kumar.
If I wasn't a part of the cover, if I was just here to hold the light or just hang around here, I would.
I've always, admired Dilip Sahab. He's been an idol for me, and never ever imagined that I'd get an opportunity to just be in his proximity.